gosh, look at this mess. It's almost unbearable. My place never looks this bad, I swear. The thing is, as I was in the middle of filming not one, but 2 episodes, it just occurred to me, why not make my existence even more complicated by throwing a 3rd one in the mix? I know, right? Bad idea. Well, what's new? But this is a quick hack, so it won't take long. This is something that I tell myself every single time I start filming a new video. Anyways, I thought about building a teleprompter to help me speed things up. I don't need to reinvent the wheel, so I looked online and there's plenty of tutorials on how to build one for cheap. But frankly, I didn't feel any tingling and they all left me quite unsatisfied. Most of what I saw is made using things such as cardboard, clips, tape, glue. I guess they get the job done, and sure, I want to spend as little money as possible too. But in this case, I'm going to need something more durable, something I can transport, something I can use for professional work, you know, videos other than my own. Hence why I decided to call this episode Inexpensive Teleprompter, because the word cheap might have given you the wrong idea about its quality. So I went searching in my storage cage and I think I found everything I need for this project. Today I'm going to use this piece of particle board that I found on the street. I think it was part of a desk or something. A cheap photo frame? I guess it's a testament to how cheap this is. An old can of spray paint, a bunch of screws, a T-nut. This is actually a leftover from my motorized camera slider project. Check out that video too, it's quite interesting. Iron-on edging, some Velcro and a piece of black fabric. I'm going to recycle this old super cheap IKEA throw rug, but anything thick enough to block light would do. If you didn't know already, here's how a teleprompter works. You have a script on a monitor or tablet that lies horizontally, and a piece of glass, not plastic, at a 45-degree angle on top. The camera, or cameras in my case, are placed behind and will not pick up the text. See? The goal is to build a box to contain all of this, and manage to suppress any light spills by painting the inside black. If everything is done correctly, a teleprompter allows a person to read the script and give the impression to be looking straight into the camera at the same time. Let's get hacking! actually easier than I thought, and this inexpensive teleprompter works like a treat. I ended up spending literally nothing because I used things that I already had or that I found. And it's wide enough to fit 2 cameras behind it, so I can go from a wide angle to a zoomed-in image, maintaining full 4K resolution, which saves me from spending a ridiculous amount of money on a higher resolution camera and all the accessories. Expensive memory cards, expensive storage, expensive computer to manage those huge files. This setup has served me quite well since the beginning of my channel, and I highly recommend it. Oh, and you might be wondering what app I'm using on the iPad. I am not going to tell you because, well, this app that I paid for is crap and a total ripoff. But there is plenty of choice out there, and I'm sure you'll find something that works for you. I hope this quick hack inspired you to build something. See you soon with more useful videos. Bye!